folks, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Pro Tips number 56. This is Pro Tips number 56, and what it is if you live in Ontario, do not hold a camera up while no PP officer drives right beside you. That's Pro Tips. No, just kidding. Pro Tips number 56. Now that that's gone, you know what? Okay, let's address the elephant in the room before we continue with Pro Tips number 56. Pro Tips number 55, which was last week's Pro Tip, the little quick one about, which this week will be also quick, the little quick tip about the UMC. That's what I'm trying to say, UMC. The little pouch and how it's reusable. A lot of people didn't like that tip. They thought it was cheap and corny or whatever. But you know what? It is what it is. Like I said in the last video about the beach buggy, it is what it is. If you don't like it, you don't like it. Anyways, getting back to this week and why you're here, Pro Tips number 56. It's also going to be very simple, folks. I don't have it on the screen because I'm driving, obviously, but I probably have a graphic. I'll put it up right now. When you get a software update, an over-the-air update, it's not a demonstration. This is just a verbal advice. If you get a software update and you see it on your screen or on your phone, what I suggest you do is, if you're type of person like me and many other people that have Teslas that want their updates right away and want to be guinea pigs and everything and beta testers, and you want it right away, what I suggest is you you press that install button right away, because if you don't, you will it will go away. It will go away. Sometimes it goes away and comes back. Sometimes it goes away and doesn't come back. So I suggest you go ahead and get it done, because you never know when it's going to go away, folks. Okay, that is my pro tip for the week, number 56. Have a good long weekend, and I will catch you later. See ya. Bye.